Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 8. Its title is Grandpa's Garden. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Oral Communication Skill, we are going to learn how to express emotions just like joy, sadness, and anger. Before this, in English for grade 2, we have learned how to respond to commands and requests. It means we know how to understand commands and requests. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And this is going to help us to demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to express joy, sadness, and anger. This is our today's essay. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Ar-Rahman, verse 1 till 4. The most compassionate taught the Quran, created human, and taught him eloquence. Yes, my dear students, better what this beautiful verse is telling us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created us, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala taught us Quran. So Quran is a huge blessing for us, and better Quran teaches us everything. Even Quran teaches us how to deal, how to talk, how to walk, how to eat. And the Sunnah of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the practical example of Quran. So Quran and Sunnah is the source for us to learn the things, right? And better when we learn something, we should practice it as well. All right. So what are the basic social courtesies? We have learned about it. So now, Alhamdulillah, we practice it. You tell what are these and how do you express your feelings. Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, what are basic social courtesies? We have talked many times. So basic, our good manners, all the good manners are basic social courtesies. And when should we follow these manners? All the time. Not just in front of teacher, not just within the school, not just in front of parents, but wherever we are, we should show our good manners, because we know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching us all the time. So what are the good manners? To talk by using this magic word, please, excuse me, thank you. Better use these words a lot. Right? So these are really good words, and by using these words, we feel good, right? So these are good manners. And whenever someone says thank you to you, you must say you are welcome, my player, right? So these are basic social courtesies. And how do we express our feelings? There are two ways. One is known as body language, like we show it from our face, we laugh, we smile, we show it from our face, our body language. And the second thing is our words. We express our feelings by saying it, right? So the way we say our feeling, we express our feeling should be appropriate and correct. Once again, we should follow our good manners while expressing our feelings. For example, if you are hungry, what you will say? I'm hungry. And also tell, I need food. Don't be upset. Don't make faces. I'm hungry. Please give me some food, right? When you say this to your mother. I am feeling thirsty. I need some water. Please give me a glass of water. Or may I go to drink a glass of water because I'm thirsty. This is how we express. I'm tired. I need some rest. Okay. So these throughout the day, throughout the life, there are many phases we go through. So we express it by our body language. So this is what this is telling us. This girl is really happy. So how do we express it? I'm happy because it's my birthday today. I'm happy because I got very good grades in my exam, etc., etc. And now look at her face. Oh, she is sad. Why? I'm sad because I lost my bag. So when we express it, someone will definitely, okay, don't be upset, let's find it. Okay, so this is how we express I'm sad, and also tell the reason. To become sad without any reason doesn't make sense. Okay, so I'm sad because this thing happened to me. I lost my bag, I lost my book. So let's find it. Okay, and we should not be angry, but sometimes there are few things we get upset. So we very nicely, I'm angry because someone broke my toy. It's okay, beta, we should not be angry. We'll buy a new one, okay? But we should know how to express our anger nicely, okay? So don't be flare up or nicely, then I'm angry. It's not good. Something bad has happened. So express it nicely. So beta, whatever you are feeling, you can express it through your words, through your body language, but do it nicely, right? Okay, so let's practice it through an activity. This expressions are given, the model expressions are given on page number 66. You may follow the same pattern. And what we are going to do, teacher will divide class in groups of 3. So in every group, there will be 3 students. Each group will come in front of the class and will express all 3 emotions. One is joy, the other is sadness, and third is anger. So we are going to learn to express these 3 emotions only. All the students will participate, okay? So pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Okay, so this is the time for your homework. You will express your feelings by writing a few sentences about some event or weather and read it aloud in the class. So basically, you will express your feeling about weather in the class by tomorrow. So prepare it at home. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned, we learned to demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to express joy, sadness, and anger. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.